Are you ready to transform your warehouse into a safer, more efficient, and visually appealing space? At Topline Pavement Services, we specialize in warehouse painting that goes beyond just adding color. Our expert team brings precision, durability, and creativity to every project, ensuring your facility isn't just functional but a standout. Whether it's clean, crisp safety lines, bold directional markings, or refreshing your walls to boost workplace morale, we've got you covered. With years of experience and cutting-edge tools, we make your warehouse work smarter and look sharper. Why choose Topline for your warehouse painting needs? It's simple: quality and customization. We don't believe in one-size-fits-all solutions. Every warehouse has unique needs, and our tailored approach ensures we deliver exactly what your facility requires. From slip-resistant floor coatings to high-visibility hazard zones, we prioritize safety and longevity. And our environmentally friendly paints ensure a sustainable, low-odor application process, letting your business keep running smoothly with minimal disruption. Our goal is to create a space that's not only practical but also inspires productivity and confidence in your team. Your warehouse deserves a fresh perspective, and Topline Pavement Services is here to deliver. Don't settle for dull, worn-out floors and outdated markings. Let us bring your space to life. Give us a call today or visit our website to schedule your consultation. Together, we'll create a warehouse environment that speaks volumes about your business's professionalism and commitment to excellence. Topline Pavement Services, painting the way to success, one warehouse at a time.